Unveiling the VIP in English. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to dive into a commonly used phrase in English, VIP. By the end of this video, you'll not only know what it stands for, but also how to use it in various contexts. Let's get started. VIP is an acronym that stands for Very Important Person. It's often used to describe someone who receives special treatment or attention because of their status, importance, or influence. This could be in a social context, at events, or even in businesses. The term VIP has been around for quite some time. It emerged in the 20th century, especially during the war times when certain officials or dignitaries needed priority or special attention during travels or events. Over time, its use expanded beyond the political or official sphere to include celebrities, business magnates, or even just someone special at an event. To help you understand better, let's go through some example sentences. 1. They reserved a VIP table for the celebrity guest at the restaurant. 2. You'll need a VIP pass to access the backstage area. 3. Despite being a regular person, she was treated like a VIP on her birthday. From these examples, you can see that the term can be used in different scenarios, all indicating some form of special treatment or status. There are a few other terms or phrases that you might come across which can be synonymous with VIP. Here are some of them: big shot, high roller, top dog, bigwig, notable. Each of these synonyms has its own nuances, but they generally convey the idea of a person with significance or importance in a particular context. And there you have it. Next time you hear or see the term VIP, you'll know that it's referring to a very important person. Whether in events, places, or discussions, being aware of this term will surely enhance your English understanding. We hope you found this video helpful. And as always, keep learning and keep growing.